Hello, Lions, and welcome to Fahrenheit Friday, September 27th, 2024. I am Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and there is no other place I would rather be than right here on the Linda campus with all of you great students, great staff, great teachers, great support systems here. I love it, and I'm so thankful to be here. Teachers, thank you very much for getting your lunch count and attendance in. We always appreciate that. Students, I said Fahrenheit Friday. Fahrenheit is the system that we use in the United States to measure degrees or temperature. So today it's going to be 95 degrees. That's in the system called Fahrenheit. One of the things about the system of Fahrenheit is that it seems a little off. The boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The freezing point of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Whereas in the Celsius system, it's much more straightforward. The boiling point in the Celsius system is 100 degrees, and the freezing point is 0 degrees. So in a sense, that kind of makes a little bit more sense. Anyway, to get to some other announcements here. That flyer we talked about. Now, we have the Fall Festival coming up, as you all know. You're going to fill this out, fill in this bottom part, and get your $5 in. Now, why $5? Well, this is normally a $7 bracelet, and even that is a bargain. But we are selling them advanced only for $5, slashing the price, almost 50% off. So if you look at this, you have a lot of things that are on here. One of the things that I wanted to tell you about is that the snow cones are actually $2. We have a typo on that. The nachos are actually $3, but they are going to be packed and loaded nachos. And we just have to raise the price there to cover our cost. PBIS today, Lions, the 3 words. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Respectful, responsible, safe. Very good. Today, let's talk about respectful. Lions, everybody, we need to be careful with our words. Let's be respectful with the words that we use. When I was growing up, we used to have this little song, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Well, untruer words were never spoken. That is not true. Words do hurt, or words do heal. They do one or the other. So make sure that the words you are using are words of affirmation. That means positive words towards somebody, like a hello, nice to see you, thank you, these sorts of things, okay? Don't say words that are hurtful to others because those hurts sometimes last a long time. So let's work on that, Alliance. Okay, we're going to look at a couple of roar cards today. Evan Kong and Miss Daniels' class, helping our new student around the class and being a great math coach. Great job, Evan. Jocelyn, Miss Michaela, was so respectful and engaged during writing. Heart, Miss Michaela. Emmeline and Miss Michaela was so respectful and engaged again. Another heart for Emmeline. Great job. This is for Sierra Wright and Miss Edwards. Somebody accidentally hit Sierra with the ball. Sierra was okay. She said, hey, you know what? It's all good. And so Miss Edwards is recognizing you, Sierra. Great job. Cody Lane and Miss Anderson. Cody, thank you for your kindness and for being so polite. That's from Miss Mack in Wellness. So great job, all of you there.
Hey guys, it's me, Miss Q. Happy Friday. I'm going to pick the Roar tickets again. So here we go. We'll start with K through 3rd. 2 lucky winners for Friday. We have Juliette from Miss Messick. Juliette. And then we have Miracle from Daniel's class. Good job, you guys. Good job. And now, 4th through 6th grade, we have 2 lucky winners. Rihanna from Coughlin and Mason Fisher from Edwards class. Good job, Mason, and good job, Rana. Hopefully I said the name right.
The birthdays for today, the 27th, Zayden Motley, 5 years old in Mrs. Grant's class. Dylan Panigua, 9 years old in Mrs. Young's class. Brielle Tannehill, 9 years old in Miss Daniels. Gohan Bang, 8 years old in Mrs. Messick. Paris Shong, 5 years old, TK and Mrs. Grant. Tomorrow's birthday is Brianna Lisenby, 11 years old in Mrs. Edwards. Faith Melendez, 11 years old in Miss Lee. Heidi Villasenor, 12 years old in Mr. Yang. And on Sunday, a couple of birthdays, Eli Kamazuke, 11 years old in Miss Lee. And Ethan Lopez, 11 years old in Mrs. Coughlin. Great job on the birthdays, everybody. Hope you have a great, wonderful birthday and a lot of fun. Today's food, traditional breaded drumstick or a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay. We're going to have some rustic tomato soup. I thought it said Russian. I wasn't sure what that was going to be, but it's rustic. corn, coleslaw, sliced apples, and dill pickles and milk. Great stuff there. All right, so I have a joke today, and it's not really a joke. It's kind of a little bit serious. So why did the skeleton refuse to climb the mountain? Why did the skeleton? He didn't have the guts. Great, great, everybody. Let's all stand for the flag salute now, the Pledge of Allegiance. Hats off, hoods off, and hand over your heart. And ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, Lions, great job there. Remember, be at school every day, Lions. This is the place for you to be. Be here every day. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, you miss out, right? So be here every day. And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.